There goes the other one. Lucky day. Bike fell over in the mud and broke my other GIVI. I put the center stand up in soft ground and broke my other GIVI, but the good news is my man Ted here is offering me up his shop to help me fix it. So Ted's working on taking this little piece. What we're going to try to do is this little bracket that's supposed to go in there. We're going to try to drill a little hole in this thing. The only problem is I can't get it back on, and I can't even check to see if it's even without the key, which is stuck in there. I have a theory, and I'm not sure if it's going to work, but these are way too big to fit inside the ignition, so I'm going to try to file them down, if Ted thinks it's a good idea, with this bad boy, and see that hopefully maybe we can pull that key out again. Filed that down, and I was able to get the key out. This is the little piece that we handmade. Now we're going to see if it will lock, and it does!